With that report. With food prices remaining high, many parents are feeling the pinch, especially those feeding larger families. It's one reason an organisation supporting diverse communities is working to boost family incomes.
At this not-for-profit in Melbourne, an informal jobs meeting is underway.
And what type of work are you looking for?
I've been working in childcare for 17 years, but when the COVID came, I reduced my hours.
Naawit Yan is raising 8 children, 5 of her own and 3 relatives. And like many sole parents struggling to pay bills as costs rise, the 43-year-old needs to earn more.
The life has become very expensive now. The bill is going high. And the food, plus you have like 5 or 6 teenagers, they need food on the table always.
It's a big focus for this not-for-profit that matches workers with jobs.
For an African Australian woman raising children by themselves, finding a job can help them to increase self-esteem, sense of belonging, financial independence.
Founder Selva Gondoza Luca knows how hard it can be resettling in a new land.
We lived on one salary and it was very difficult. And I didn't know that slowly I was developing depression. And it became worse when I had a premature baby. Then I was diagnosed with postnatal depression. Unfortunately, the baby died. Then I developed deep depression.
Armed with nursing and mental health qualifications, Ms. Luca later started Afri-Aus Care. Her team has since helped hundreds of women into paid work.
A lot of them have a lot of kids. So the average would be like 5 to 6 kids, and then it goes up to 10, 11. I am proud, but it takes hard work because you almost have to talk to the employer personally.
Ms. Andrea works closely with Abraham Qual, whose family fled South Sudan during civil war.
My mum and my dad, carrying all my siblings through the dirt, the desert, made their way to Kenya. I was born in a refugee camp in Kakumat. Conditions were hard. Constant dust storms. If you got sick, your chances of survival were low. I had these 2 really good friends, wondering if they're still okay. They got a visa as well.
Despite arriving as a child speaking little English, Abraham is now completing a PhD and mentors African Australian youth in contact with the justice system.
Many have experienced war. Many have lost loved ones, lost siblings. They've come here from countries that have given up on them.
It's a shared concern for Selva Gondoza Luca, whose focus is finding work for families in hardship.
Economically, things are tough. Some companies are closing, but still, those companies who are still open, please listen to our plea. Support these African people. They will surprise you.
Alan Lee, SBS World News.
Towards